It is all about volume. We just made 435% trading on the last 48 hours. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin today, guys. Bitcoin has a very interesting pattern. The last time we hit here, you see the white line here? Guys, this white line is 200 exponential moving average weekly. Last time Bitcoin hit this line, the price crashed down. Okay? When I share my trades in the private list, I mentioned for our traders to buy Bitcoin right here at 17. So we bought at 17. So our traders, trade crypto members, know when you're gonna sell Bitcoin. Now let's talk about the real money here, guys. 435%. Trades I share in the private list was High Street, Flock, High Bay, Alpha, Dreams, Quest, guys. Take a look at this volume: 354 million, 42 million, 419,000, 1.5 million, 1.6 million. Guys, if I made $43,000 today, you can make the same profit as I do because I share all my trades in the private list. First trade recap, guys. Dream, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on January 26th. We bought this coin for, take a look at this price, 0.000006, and we sold right here a 1, guys. We made 65%. Like I mentioned before, volume spike right here, volume spike right here, buyer power. That's why my software is tracking, guys. Volume spike plus buyer power. Next trade recap, guys. High Bay, 155%, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on 23. We bought this coin for 13 cents and you put a sell order right here at 35 cents. I made $15,000. Trade crypto members made 155%. Guys, take a look at the volume right here. The volume happened 1 month before this big candles of volume. Next trade recap, guys. Flock. I shared this trade in the private list 2 days ago, around 25, 24. We bought this coin for 11 up to 27, guys. 147%, 160%, right? That's how much I did. Guys, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list because together we are strong. Also, we can trade for you. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel, and also I will let you know when you should buy and sell the Bitcoin and the main cryptos, okay? Hit me out and asking about the free platform I'm gonna provide to trade. Guys, give me a like this video, share. Let's trade together. Together we are strong. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.